Hi everyone. This is SuConTV Unlimited with Star, the SuperIcon YouTube channel that provides all the knowledge and wisdom of the world. What is the most precious thing in the universe? It is yourself. Because without you there would be no universe. In short, yourself is the universe. That's why we ourselves shine as brightly as the universe. But we are just losing that light in front of the harsh reality for a while. We must again become as shining beings as the universe. Furthermore, we must become the fruit that realizes the ideal of the universe. For this purpose, SuConTV Unlimited with Star would like to devote ourselves to changing myself, ourselves, and the world to shine by providing innovative information on dreams and vision, success, wealth and happiness, knowledge and wisdom, well-being and healing. SuConTV Unlimited with Star will be with you all until the day when ordinary people become successful and happy with super self-management, which has never existed in a world that changed myself, ourselves, and the world to shine. Please show your warm interest and support. Thank you so much.